finishing touch, I took some Brasso and all the old hinges and I buffed them up really nicely. And this is super easy. If you've never used Brasso before, it's just a metal polisher and you just pour it onto whatever you want to clean, whatever sort of metal you want to clean. Take a brush or a cloth and it's kind of like rub on, rub off. You just keep on rubbing it until you see that it's all cleaned up. And then I just buffed it up with the towel. I reinstalled all the hinges. However, I did not reinstall the knobs because when I tested out a few of the knobs, because I had taken out the middle, when I put the knobs just on the frame portion, they looked like they were way too close together and it kind of took away from the modern look. So I think I'll be buying some magnetic hinges, which I do not have yet, but I'll be buying them and then they can just be magnet doors, which I think gives it a much cleaner look.